Hello, Sean Connell at Energy Wellness, East Doncaster, Melbourne, Australia. Just going to do a quick video on health and what we need to do to stay healthy and be healthy, and how we help at the Wellness Centre here. So inflammation is the cause of all pain, loss of energy and disease in the body. So as you can see in this graph here out of the medical textbook, this is inflammation in the body where all the cells are being separated from each other and they're not working together, but more importantly, they can't get oxygen and nutrition from the bloodstream, so they degenerate and die. So obviously we want to be here where the body, all the cells are together, communicating together and getting oxygen and nutrition from the bloodstream. So at the Wellness Centre, the only way to remove that inflammation is through the lymphatic system. So as a lymphologist, I'm going to teach you all the ways to activate that lymphatic system, draining away that inflammation